The weather.
Sunny. People like to be outdoors when it is sunny. Usually the sun means it's warm outside, but not always. The sun is the biggest star in our solar system.
Rain. Water droplets form from warm air. As the warm air rises in the sky, it cools. Water vapor always exists in our air. Clouds hold rain droplets inside of them.
Lightning. Lightning is an electric current. When the ice bits hit each other, it makes an electric charge. After a while, the whole cloud fills up with electrical charges. The positive and negative charges meet and create lightning.
Windy. Wind is moving air. Wind can be made into energy. Wind can be fun, and flying a kite is a good way to enjoy the wind. There is also dangerous wind which can cause hurricanes and tornadoes.
Hurricanes. A hurricane is a huge storm. It can be up to 600 miles across and have strong winds spiraling inward and upward at speeds of 75 to 200 miles per hour. Each hurricane usually lasts for over a week.
Tornadoes. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. The most violent tornadoes are capable of winds up to 300 miles per hour. They can destroy large buildings, uproot trees, and hurl vehicles hundreds of yards.
Hail. Hail starts as tiny ice pieces. Those pieces combine with water droplets that are still liquid above the freezing level. The water droplets attach themselves to ice pieces and begin to freeze as an ice coating. Once the hailstone grows too big to be held up in the sky, it falls to the ground.
Snowy. Snow is usually formed when water vapor undergoes deposition. Deposition is when water vapor changes directly to ice. Snow can only fall when there's a temperature less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It is important to dress warm when it snows.
Frost. Frost is just rain that falls onto a surface when a temperature gets below freezing. Frost can stick to objects such as trees, cars, and roads, forming a coating or glaze of ice. Even small amounts of ice can be very dangerous.
Avalanches. An avalanche is a moving mass of snow that may contain ice, soil, rocks, and uprooted trees. Avalanches begin when an unstable mass of snow breaks away from a mountainside and moves downhill. Avalanches have been known to reach speeds of 245 miles an hour.
Fog. Fog is a cloud that is in contact with the ground. Fog begins to form when water vapor condenses into tiny liquid water droplets in the air. Fog can form suddenly and can disappear quickly. This phenomenon is known as flash fog.
Cloudy. A cloud is a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. The droplets are so small and light that they can float in the air. There are different types of clouds. And that is the weather.